Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, May 28th, 2025. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. Hopefully the rain stops today and we get warmer weather. Oh, wait, that's the forecast. It is going to get warmer and just in time because the splash pad's officially opening tomorrow. That's right. The splash pad will be opening on Thursday, May 29th. After completing repairs, Fitchburg's favorite way to cool off and is back up and running this Thursday, May 29th for the season. Hours daily, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. now through Labor Day. It's at McKee Farmers Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road in Fitchburg. You can check out the website for more information, and you can rent some of those picnic areas there as well, if I remember right. So definitely check it out, but that'll be open tomorrow, and we appreciate everybody's patience as we got those repairs done. Happening this week, Greenfield Neighborhood Plan Steering Committee is coming up. That'll be happening tomorrow night as well. This is going to be at the City Hall. Please take notice that the Fitchburg Planning Department will hold the steering committee for the Greenfield Neighborhood Plan at 5 p.m. on Thursday, May 29th. It'll be at City Hall in the Francis Huntley Cooper Council Chambers. The agenda includes presentation and review of the draft plan, steering committee questions and comments, public comment, steering committee discussion, and recommendation on the draft plan. If you can't make it out, you can watch that live on Fact TV on our Gov channel, F1. You can check our website for locations on where to watch that. City of Fitchburg will be recognizing Pride Month and Juneteenth with flag-raising ceremonies and proclamations. Here are the details on those. On behalf of the mayor, Julia Radafrada, you're invited to join the City of Fitchburg in recognizing Pride Month and Juneteenth through flag-raising ceremonies and official proclamation. The flag raisings, Pride flag will be rose on Monday, June 2nd at 4 p.m. And then Juneteenth will be done on Friday, June 6th at 2 p.m. And at the upcoming council meetings, we'll have both of those proclamations coming up for you, and we'll let you know when we have the details on those and which meetings those will be at. And turning our attention to the Fitchburg Senior Center, they have their Party on the Patio event coming up. We have the details for you. Join us for a lively afternoon on the patio featuring local music group Wrong Gene on Friday, June 20th at 12:30 p.m. Enjoy the electric mix of folk tunes and songs spanning generations from classic and timeless hits by the Beatles and beyond. Fun music, treats, good vibes are all await you for this great event. If you'd like to join in for lunch, you need to call the one day before for advance by 9 a.m. And you call 608-270-4290 to reserve your lunch. But you got to do it by 9 a.m. the day before that lunch. BCycle will be having a special promotion for Bike Week 2025. BCycle will be offering 25% off a monthly pass as long as you use code BikeWeek25. Purchase anytime between June 1st and June 8th. And it's valid for 1 month, so you can use it there for 1 month and enjoy the nice weather. We have plenty of BCycle stations across the city of Fitchburg, which you can check out, and I saw that they're adding one at the Arboretum, so you can check that out as well. But plenty of locations. We share the links up to all of our stories, so you can check that out as well and find the nearest BCycle station near you. And finally, we have the 2025 street resurfacing project to remind you of. The streets shown in the graphic below are scheduled for resurfacing in 2025. Affected homeowners were sent notifications of this project via a letter. The project includes removing existing asphalt, repairing damaged curbs, manholes and inlets, laying new asphalt, and repairing existing pavement markings. Driveway access will be maintained as much as possible. However, residents will temporarily lose street access for about 2 hours when they put the final layer of asphalt on. If curb work is required directly in front of your driveway, access may be unavailable for up to 7 days. Businesses will retain access at all times, either through one open driveway or use of steel plates. If you have mobility concerns or need alternative accommodations, please contact our Public Works Department for more information, and they can help you out with this project. And you can always reach out if you have any questions. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow.